Hello, sir.
Hello. So, do you want to play this job?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Can you tell me about yourself?
Okay. Nice to meet you. And my name is Hasan Abdurrahman, and usually people call me Hasan. I'm 16 years old, and now I study at Aiden Boarding School, majoring in software engineering. And I live in a boarding school environment where I also learn about religion and discipline. And I really like programming, especially web development. And I also try to improve my English because I want to connect with more people and prepare for opportunities in the future.
Okay. Uh, what are your strengths?
My strengths are that I learn fast and I'm very curious with technologies. And I enjoy trying new technologies and I can spend hours learning until I understand. And I'm also disciplined because of my school and boarding school environment. And I like to teamwork in a team because I believe teamwork or with collaboration make better result.
What are your weaknesses?
My weakness is sometimes I feel nervous when I speak in public, especially in English, but I try to practice more, like making podcasts with my friends and recording myself speaking or and I believe step by step I can be more confident.
Why do you want this job?
I want this job because I want to apply what I have learned in programming. I want real world experience, not only from school projects, and I also believe this job can help me improve my skill, especially in teamwork and professional communication. Uh, at, that, at the same time, I want to contribute with my energy and my creativity.
Can you tell me about a project you work on?
Yes, one of my project is a web application called My Library. It has features like login, register, book management, and contact page. I use Laravel as the framework, MySQL as the database, and Tailwind CSS for the design. And I also made another project called Quotes app, where users can share and message quotes. This project helped me practice about CRUD or create, read, update and delete operation, authentication, and also build components.
What do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself as a professional full stack web developer. I want to be strong in Laravel, PHP, and JavaScript, and also learn more frameworks like Flutter for mobile. And I also to prepare myself to international opportunities like studying abroad or joining big tech projects or something like that.
How do you handle stress or pressure?
When I feel stressed, I try to stay calm and break the problem into smaller parts. Like maybe, for example, when I get an error in coding, I don't panic, but I read the documentation, like search the solution, maybe ask to or something like that, and ask my friend if I need it, because sometimes my friend is more know than me, and I also take a short break, like astaghfirullah, like maybe take a break short time, and maybe pray to Allah is the most important.
Do you prefer working in a team or alone?
I can do both. In a team, I like sharing ideas and solving problems together. And I also experience teamwork in school projects, but I can also work alone if needed. Because sometimes focusing because sometimes focusing by myself makes more productive, right? And so I'm comfortable with both.
How do you learn new skills?
I usually learn new skills from YouTube tutorials, online course, and or directly from official documentation. For example, I learn Laravel step by step from documentation and practice by making real projects. And I believe practice is the best way to learn. So I always try to create something after studying.
Why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I'm highly motivated to learn and grow. Even though I'm still a student, I'm serious about programming and I already have some projects. And I'm disciplined, I focus, and I'm ready to give my energy and ideas to help company. At the same time, I will also keep improving myself.
What do you know about our company?
I know that your company works in the technology field and help clients with software development. And I see that you value innovation and teamwork. That inspires me and I want to be part of this kind of environment.
Do you have any question for us?
Yes, I would like to ask what kind of projects will I be working of I join this company? And what skills do you think I should focus on to grow faster here?
Okay, firstly, what kind of project will be working if you join this company? It's maybe creating website like e-library and e-commerce, also like report problem. And what skills that you should focus on it? I think you have to focus in the web development or in the UI webs.
Okay.
A lot of company in this era looking for programmer. They're also passionate in the web developer, and I think you could be a web developer, and hopefully you can get this job in our company.
I hope that too.
So thank you so much for your participation, and
Okay. Thank
That's
you very much,
Okay.
sir.
have a nice day.
حين محل البلاء جئت إليك ذليلا أناجي من لي غيرك ربي يسمع مني شكوى